There's no feeling quite like taking your bike out on the open road, but only the best motorcycle cameras will do justice to your ride. The best motorcycle cameras allow you to capture high-resolution video of every jaw-dropping piece of scenery you drive past. And with helmet, body, and bike-mounted camera options available, you can pick the style and perspective that suits you. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best motorcycle cameras you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Kenwood STZRF200WD, ranked as the 5th best motorcycle camera for its exceptional features and performance. With a video capture resolution of 1080p and a voltage requirement of 12 volts, this camera offers a real angle of view of 170 degrees, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. Picture quality is paramount with this device, boasting front and rear recording capabilities with 2-megapixel HD quality. Its dual cameras ensure clear video capture from both directions simultaneously. Moreover, its waterproof design, IP66 and 67 rating, makes it resistant to heavy sprays of water and dust, ensuring durability in various environments. Equipped with electronic image stabilization, it guarantees steady images even on bumpy roads. The package includes a 32GB micro SD card, expandable up to 256 GB, offering ample storage for your recordings. Furthermore, its built-in G-sensor and GPS record collision data and location information accurately. Priced at $199, the Kenwood STZRF200WD offers premium features at an affordable price, making it an ideal choice for motorcycle enthusiasts seeking reliable and high-quality recording solutions. Transcend's DrivePro 20 emerges as a premier choice among motorcycle and scooter enthusiasts seeking reliable road security. Crafted with simplicity and efficiency in mind, this compact dashcam ensures unwavering safety during your rides. Equipped with a cutting-edge Starvis image sensor, it delivers impeccable Full HD 1080p recordings at a seamless 60 FPS, guaranteeing pristine clarity and exceptional night vision even in dimly lit environments. Engineered with an IP68 rating, the DrivePro 20 stands resilient against diverse weather elements, boasting water, dust, heat, and shock resistance for unparalleled durability in outdoor settings. Its integrated Wi-Fi functionality enables effortless live streaming of footage directly to mobile devices via the intuitive DrivePro app, facilitating real-time monitoring and easy sharing. With its petite form factor, the DrivePro 20 proves effortlessly portable, ensuring convenient transportation wherever your journey takes you. Whether you're a daily commuter on a scooter or a dedicated delivery professional, this dashcam offers an indispensable layer of protection tailored to your needs. Priced at a reasonable $99. Discover the Insta360 Ace Pro, ranked as the 3rd best motorcycle camera, boasting cutting-edge features designed to revolutionize your action recording experience. Equipped with a flagship 1x1.3-inch sensor and a groundbreaking 5nm AI chip, Ace Pro sets a new standard in image quality, capturing stunning visuals even in low-light conditions. Partnered with a Leica Samaritt lens, it delivers unparalleled clarity and sharpness, ensuring every moment is captured with precision. Day or night, Ace Pro guarantees unbeatable image quality, supporting 4K 120 FPS slow-motion recording and active HDR for vibrant shots. Its innovative Pure Video mode utilizes AI noise reduction and enhanced dynamic range for unparalleled low-light performance. Navigating through its features is effortless with a large 2.4-inch flip touchscreen, providing convenient control and preview options from any angle. Mounting and accessory switching are seamless with its magnetic mounting system, complemented by features like pause recording, gesture control, and clarity zoom. Engineered for adventure, Ace Pro incorporates flow state stabilization to counteract bumps and shakes, ensuring smooth footage even in extreme conditions. Waterproof up to 33 feet and operational in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. It's the ultimate companion for all your outdoor escapades. Priced at $449 US. Introducing the DJI Osmo Action 4, acclaimed as the #2 best motorcycle camera, this device redefines adventure filming with its exceptional features and unbeatable price point of $299 US. Prepare to be astounded by its impeccable image quality, courtesy of its large 1x1.3-inch sensor, ensuring crystal clear footage in any lighting condition, be it the blazing sun or the darkest of nights. Elevate your visuals further with its 10-bit and D-Log M color performance, capturing the true essence of every moment with vivid, true-to-life colors that will leave your audience captivated. The DJI Osmo Action 4 doesn't shy away from extreme conditions either, boasting the ability to withstand temperatures as low as 4 degrees Fahrenheit while recording for up to 150 minutes non-stop. Its impressive 4K 120 FPS capability, coupled with a 155-degree ultra-wide field of view, guarantees immersive, high-resolution footage that brings your adventures to life. Effortlessly transition between horizontal and vertical shots with its magnetic quick-release feature, unlocking unprecedented creative freedom in capturing your moments. Plus, bid farewell to shaky footage thanks to its 3 stabilization modes, ensuring every frame is steady and clear. Say hello to the GoPro Hero 12 Black, the unrivaled companion for motorcycle enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. Packed with cutting-edge features, it stands out as the ultimate choice in motorcycle cameras. Boasting high dynamic range technology, the Hero 12 Black ensures stunning clarity in both video and photo capture, regardless of challenging lighting conditions. With 5.3K video resolution, it surpasses conventional 4K, delivering 91% more detail, while its 27 megapixels photo capability ensures every moment is preserved with astonishing clarity. Thanks to its Emmy Award-winning Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization, shaky footage has become a thing of the past. Whether you're tearing through rugged terrain or capturing fast-paced action, the Hero 12 Black delivers silky smooth results every time. Built to withstand the rigors of any adventure, this camera is waterproof up to 33 feet and boasts legendary durability. From muddy trails to snowy slopes, it's designed to keep pace with your wildest escapades. Priced at just $349 US. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.